if the vehicle is there, to start the vehicle, ignition must be required. You know, right? Ignition
Yes.
required more energy. Once the vehicle started, it won't require the same energy to continue. With less energy only, it's going to move. The movement creates movement. Observe my word. The movement creates movement. Today, just have you started saving at least 1 rupee?
Yes.
Physically or auto?
Auto. I've created emergency and
Yes.
those things.
Okay. If it is the physically, definitely you are going to see the difference. Do one thing. At least 1 month. Just take a small kiddie bank. Array, at least 1 rupee I want to save. Better to keep that. The magic is going to be happen because today you are going to save 1 rupee. Tomorrow you are going to save 1 rupee. Day after tomorrow you are going to save 1 rupee. Once you started doing 3 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, then automatically what will happen is, array, yeah, 5 days I did, man. Let me save some more extra. Like suddenly you may save some 2 rupees or 5 rupees or 10 rupees. Next day maybe 100 rupees. So momentum is going to be created. With that momentum, automatically the things are going to be happen. Srikant, getting the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here, for most of the people, the problem is starting problem. 99% of the activities, 99% of the dreams of the people, why they are not going to fulfill, why they didn't do that. The simple reason for that is they didn't start. They didn't start. Once you started, once you are in progress, automatically you will get momentum. That momentum is going to create big results over a period of time. Automatically your action also by default is going to be improved.